Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of PatPat. Here and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.